Welcome guys to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Bazzite on the Lenovo Legion Go. So first of all, we're going to need the iOS. I'm going to leave a link for the page. What you want to do is go here to download. Go to download Bazzite Desk, and it's automatically going to download for me my Lenovo Legion since I already have everything set up. But if not, what you guys want to do is just go here, go to your pick Lenovo Legion Go, and then what you want to do is pick KDE Lite, which is gonna be the Steam version. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. Next, you want to download Rufus. What you want to do is go here, download the latest one, and then you're gonna download IM Magic Partition. So what you'll need here is a USB flash drive, a keyboard, and a mouse. It's going to be very important because for when you're going to install the Windows OS, which is Steam Deck, you're going to need a keyboard and a mouse because you won't be able to use your touchscreen. So, want to open up Rufus, then you want to go select your ISO. I have my on downloads. Well, actually, I have my on desktop. Select Bazzite Stable, click open. You can leave this default, and then what you want to do is press start. You're going to leave it as write an iOS image. It will say everything will be deleted. You press OK. Then you're just going to wait for it to finish. Let's see if it gives me an option to have a bootable menu, which we're not going to click because we are going to use a different method, which is way better than the one it's going to give us. So we're going to go here, open up Magic. You're going to have to install it, and once you're done installing, I don't think you need to restart. You want to open it up, click your partition, right click it, minimize and move partition. So you're going to pick here in megabytes how much you want. So if you don't know how to convert it. I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to do 482 gigabytes, which is almost the same conversion here. Megabytes and gigabytes is 1,000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. See, this is how it's gonna look. I think I'll do almost half and half. Click OK. Just doing that for you. You want to do apply, and you are gonna have to restart so everything can take effect. So what I'm gonna do is shut down after it's complete, and I'll see you guys when it's done. So it's gonna tell you this is gonna restart. You're just gonna click OK. Okay guys, so after we restarted, it took a while to do the partition since I partitioned a lot of space, but we're just gonna go click the program so we can see that everything worked fine. We have the space there that we need. So now what we need to do is so this is where you need the mouse and the keyboard, because moving forward we won't be able to use the mouse and the keyboard until we finish installing Bazzite. So before everything, I'm actually gonna put this part in the video in the beginning because I forgot. Make sure you have a mouse and a keyboard. Don't try it if you don't have a mouse and a keyboard, because you won't be able to succeed. So I'm just gonna go switch to my camera so you guys can see how my Legion Go. All right, you beautiful boys. Can you see me? Oh, fingers. So now I'm on my camera, phone camera. I use my phone to record most of my, because I have another camera. It's just okay. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna press the power button and hold plus volume up, right? So we're gonna go in BIOS. So this is Jesus Christ, where you need a mouse. So we're gonna go into boot menu, right? And then we're gonna go to Linux, whatever it says, Linux production. I don't know why it says that. So here is where the keyboard is good. Oh, so You want to use your arrows key and you want to go into install because it says test this media and install. No, we're just going to go on install. So you click enter. You're going to click enter. I should have moved my mic. My mic is in the way. That's why I got to run around. This is not good. So anyways, we're going to wait for this. It's going to be a lot of stuff happening. We're just going to let it do its thing. If you see red, that is bad. That means either your, because I had a problem with my old USB drive. It was a problem with my USB drive. So if you see red and nothing and it's not installing, buy a different one, because I had problems with two where nothing was working, and then when I put this one, it did actually work. You guys can probably hear my dog. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna pick Jesus, my table, I'm moving it. Obviously I'm gonna put English and, well, everything English, right? I don't think this is a keyboard for anything. So just click continue. Then we're gonna go install destination. And then we're gonna pick our where we're gonna install it. As you can see, is this one, unless you have a different disk. Am I moving my camera? Sorry guys. Then you're gonna click done, and then you're gonna create a user. I am moving my camera, whatever. So for my user, I'm gonna put Steam. No, actually, I'm gonna put deck. Okay, no, I'm gonna put deck, right? My username is also gonna be deck. I wish that my camera was working better. And password, I'm gonna put my password. You can put, oops. You can put any password you like. And we're just gonna go and click on done. It says, yeah, I'm gonna use that password. I'm moving my camera because I don't have anywhere to put it. And then we're just gonna go in. You're gonna, well, actually, you're gonna want to add your network. Obviously, let me see if I can stop moving this camera. And pick the one you want. Always put your Wi-Fi so that way you don't have to do it later. So I'll skip to doing that. So after you put your network connected and everything, you just want to go to begin install. This part is probably gonna take a little while. Yeah, so this part is probably gonna take, it shouldn't take that long, but if it does take a while, I'll just cut it. I'm gonna cut it until I'm done installing, and I'll see you guys when it's done. Peace. Okay guys, we are back. Hey, no camera shaking. All right, so it finished finally. That took a little while, so we're gonna reboot the system and we're finally gonna get in it. What the hell? So we're finally gonna get in. This is greatness. I uninstalled it just to show you guys, and I was on vacation, so I needed the space. All right, my family to play these games, but man, having this in my vacation time in my country, it was, man, I love Legion Go. Anyways, we're gonna get into it, and I'm gonna do another video. This video will be part 1. I'm gonna do part 2 of customizing it, of putting the TDP, because last time it didn't came with the TDP control. It didn't came with the LED lights for the controls. Audio, I put an audio system that was working way better. We're gonna click continue here, and we're gonna do every goodies that I have on here, and I'm gonna show you guys. Damn, this is so small. So on here, well, never mind, I just did it. All right guys, so this part I'm gonna put it in the video. I forgot to boot in remove secure boot. That's why it was failing. So press the power button and press the volume button. This is so scuffed. Then you want to go to BIOS setup. You're gonna go to more information. I think it was in security or boot. Device card. secure boot, disable that, and then click on the first option on the install part of the video, and then it will start installing everything. And yeah, this is greatness now. Alright guys, so we're here. I had to switch this, so we're gonna press continued, and here you're gonna pick your time zone. I'm just gonna pick any. Go to installing, so you're gonna wait this out, and then guys, you have finally done it. You installed Bazzite. This took me a while, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys hit that like button, comment if you have any question, and maybe subscribe. See you on the next one.